Siddhidatri, the ninth day, Navdurga, the all manifesting Devi of the aspirants of the Devi Bhagavati. Durga Durgati Nashini is Siddhidatri, is Siddhi, all perfection. It is related to the human body, mind and Atman, which is spirit. It is the Prakasha and Vimarsha woven together in the higher realms of the Divine Mother. Siddhidatri is measureless. She structures the whole universe through her grace of her being the Brahmaranda and passing through the Nadi Yantra, the nerve channels of yoga. She is Ayonija, unborn. She is Purna Prakriti, the whole manifestation between static and dynamic. She is Swaha and Swadha. She is Vashatakara and above all the 14 realms. She is the mother of the universal flux. A homa is being conducted to offer the ahuti of unbroken rice, sesame, ghee, barley, with the recitation of 700 shlokas after doing the Kanya Puja on the Ashtami Tithi day. On the Navami, 1/10 of the Tarpana is to be offered and 1/10 of the Japan is to be offered to the Divine Mother, Sri Chandi, who is an aggregate of 9 Kumaris, 9 Kanyas. That's why every girl child is Navadurga and every woman is the Matri Shakti. The principal deity of the Navaratra is Sri Chandi, being an aggregate of 9 forms of energies. She kills the 9 Rakshasas: Madhu, Kaitaba, Mahishasura, Dhumralochana, Chanda, Munda, Raktabija, Shumba and Nishumba, which is read as Ya Maya Madhukaitaba Paramathani Ya Mahishonamolani Ya Dhumreshana Chandamundamatani Ya Raktabijashini Shakti Shumba Nishumba Daita Dalani Ya Siddha Lakshmi Para Sa Durga Navakoti Murti Sahita Mam Patu Maheshwari. May the Divine Mother Durga take me in her refuge, who is adored with the 9 crore 90 million deities, is the essence of the shloka. प्रथम शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चण्डघण्टेति कुष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्रिति महागौरीति चाष्टमं नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गा प्रकीर्तिता. The Devi Atharva Shirsha affirms that the Durga is the Aditya and Prabha. It is Siddhi to see the light within and around. Aditya is the formation of Saptamatrika, the 7 Matrikas, as A, A, the, I, the, Ya, A. All the 7 Matrikas are finding their abode in the Chakreshwara at Hari Parbat. The great Shakti worshippers of Kashmir would meditate the Matrikas at Sri Chakreshwara. In the word Aditya. There are two As, as and becomes sound. One the, one I, one the, one y, and one consisting of 7 phonemes in the Sanskrit Varnamala. It is also read as kam, cham, tam, tum, pam, yam. These are the bija matras. The first two As are the personifications of Brahma and Vishnu. The means Dhatri Shakti. I means Ichha Shakti. The celestial fire. Ya Antastha Yogi. And the last is the Bhava Rupa of Maheshwara. The word is said to be Samputta Shabda according to Kashmir Shakta point. How? Samputta means sacred within and a. Hence Devatas are adored as the Adityas, as all the Devatas have been created through the Ichha Shakti of Hiranyagarbha. These 9 forms are visualized by Brahma for the first time when this universe was created by the Adi Shakti with the Triguna Shakti of Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. The first 3 forms of Sri Durga are inherent in the intimate nature of Mahakali. The second 3 forms are within the domain of Mahalakshmi. The third 3 forms are within the wisdom of Mahasaraswati. Sri Ragna Devi is the presiding Devi of Navaratra in Kashmir. She is adored as Rajarajeshwari Rajadayani. The hymn dedicated to Sri Ragna Bhagavati is चतुर्भुजां चन्द्रकलाराधशेखरां सिंहासनास्थां भुजगोपवीतिनीं पाषाणकुसुम्बबुरहाखागाधारिणीं राज्ञीं भजे चेष्टसी राजादायिनीम्. We adore Sri Ragna, the giver of all prosperity, who is having 4 arms. She is keeping the crescent half moon on her crown. She is mounted on the lion. Her Yagnopavit is the Bhujaga, not the cobra, but the serpent. She holds a nose of Kusha grass, the Dharba grass in Kashmir. A gourd, a lotus, a sword in her hands. We constantly think of her within our consciousness. A devotee needs to sow the barley in an earthen pot filled with any pure soil or sand. This is to invoke Shailaputri aspect of Navadurga. The flag of Sinduri color should be invoked for strength, process and prosperity. Those who can read Durga Shaptashti daily need to worship the sacred text with red flowers on the first day of Navaratra. About Navaratra, these 9 days are considered to be very sacred by the Shaktas, the worshippers of Shakti, as being the Mahamaya, Mula Prakriti, the causeless cause of manifestation. She abides in the very strength of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara as Brahmi, Vaishnavi and Maheshwari Shakti. All these 3 Shakti get merged in Sri Chandi, which further manifests in the 9 days of Ashwin Shukla Paksha from Pratibhada to Navami, the first lunar 9 days of the month of Ashwin, or Ashurjuna Paksh in Kashmiri language. This is known as Varshiki Navratra as well. The devotees of Navratra remain pure vegetarian for 9 days. They perform Saptashati Homa Havana on the Mahanavami day. Kheer, coconut, and the banana are being offered to Sri Chandi in the form of prasad or naveda. The homa is done with ashta unbroken rice and barley. Since 700 shlokas are recited during the Havana Homa, hence the name Durga Saptashati, which means Sharira Shloka of Sri Durga. She ascends from the Pravriti to Navriti, from Bhoga to Yoga, from gross to subtle, from Shunya to infinity. She gives bliss. She lies in the core of Shakti tradition of Sanatana Dharma. Iti Samaptam.